The Devil's Age by Franchun Beltzarri. There were gentlemen and a lady who were very poor. This man used to sit sadly at the crossroads. There came to him a gentleman who asked, "Why are you so sad?" "Because I have not wherewith to live." The gentleman said to him, "I will give you as much money as you like if at such and such a time you tell the age of the devil." Our man went off happy. He led a merry life with his wife, for they wanted for nothing. They lived at a great rate. The time went on, and the time was approaching. This man recollected that he had not busied himself at all about the devil's age. He became pensive. His wife asked him what was the matter with him then. Why was he not happy? They wanted for nothing. Why was he so sad? He told her how it was that he got rich and what compact he had made with the gentleman. His wife said to him, "If you have nothing but that, it is nothing at all. Get into a barrel of honey, and when you come out of it, get into another barrel of feathers, and dress like that, go to the crossroads, and wait for the devil there. You will put yourself on all fours and walk backward and forward, and go between his legs and walk all around him." Because what, you got to humiliate yourself and put yourself at undue risk and stuff like that, or to work with such entities, I guess. The man did as his wife told him. The devil came and drew back when he saw him, and our man went up quite close to the devil. The devil, being frightened, said to him, "I am 7,777 years old, and I have never seen any animal like that, and such a frightful one." Our man had heard enough. He went off home at full speed and told his wife that they would want for nothing, that he had done as she had told him, just as if she had been a witch, and that he was no longer afraid of the devil. They lived rich and happy, and if they lived well, they died well too. And, well, 777 is a particular mystical number, but I don't know why in a point of time where that would be the case. What is it, 4750 BCE? Wasn't that the start date of the Yazidi calendar? And that's because the peacock form was said to have revealed unto them, and what they have now has made it through different languages and different translations and stuff like that. But a lot of these stories, there's this particular thing they're trying to know, right?